Today, we're going to review three different options that are going to help you increase your credit score. We're going to check out myFICO.com, Credit Karma, and annualcreditreport.com. As a mortgage lender, being able to show you options to increase your credit score without hiring a credit repairing agency and without doing credit counseling, giving you an option to be able to show you how to do it yourself. I'm Liz LeFore with the Mortgage Liz team located in San Diego, California. When you're ready to determine your buying power to purchase your next home, we would love to help you. We are licensed in 46 states and based here in California. So in order to improve your credit, we need to be able to see your actual credit report without actually having a mortgage company pull your actual credit report and not add an additional inquiries. What we're going to be using are three different platforms, and I want to be able to explain just briefly the difference between the platforms. Credit Karma, which is something that is used quite frequently. It is a free platform. You don't have to pay for it. You just need to sign up for it. But the issue that we find with Credit Karma is that it no longer actually gives you the what if scenario. So if you were to pay down this XYZ account, $200 or $1,000, what would it take to increase your credit score to a 680? The issue that we have with annualcreditreport.com is that it literally just gives you your actual credit report for Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. It still does not give you what we are looking at and more close to our mortgage credit scores, more of a consumer driven credit scores, which you're going to find here. But this doesn't actually give you the what if scenario and how to improve your credit score. And that's what we're trying to get to right now. And that's what leads us back to myfico.com. So I will preface this first off is that there is a cost to myfico.com. When we look at the different plans here, there's a free version, but the free version actually only does one bureau. Then we look over here at the advanced version. The advanced version does all three bureaus. So we go back to myfico.com and we need to be able to pick one. You're going to need to pay one of the options of $29.95 or $39.95. And when we look at the details here, we're going to be looking at the advanced option here, but the simulator for FICO mortgage scores, which is actually not available on the advanced version. What is available on the advanced version is the simulator for FICO mortgage scores. So we see actions affecting our FICO score 2 and 4 used by mortgage lenders. This is going to help us the most, and updates are available every month versus every 3 months. If we're trying to expedite being able to purchase a home, we need to improve our credit score and see what's realistically there. This is not a requirement that you have to do, but it does give you the options of being able to better your credit score without hiring a credit repair company. In this scenario, choosing the premier option, start the plan here, create your account with your email and your password, click next. Once you inputted your email and your password, you input this information, legal content, current information, mobile phone numbers, your identifiers. Get to this screen, which is what is going to charge you for the $39.95. Put your payment card information, you check this box, click place order. Now, once you've clicked that submit button, you're going to get this here. It's going to give you the identity verification. Now, once you've actually clicked the submit button, you'll get this order confirmation information. Remember that you want to cancel it once you're done using it. Once you've done that, you'll come up to your credit score. You'll be able to see where you are at. Remember, this is just a starting point, that there's a lot of things that we're going to be improving. Okay, so in order to find out how to improve your credit score, you can do this one of two ways. You can scroll down the screen and then go down to the very bottom and do the credit simulator, or you can go to the very top right here where it says simulator. And then from here, it's going to tell you how to improve your credit score. The goal is to be able to do this as quickly as possible with obviously not taking out any new debt if you're not needing to do so. So if you don't have a lot of credit, then maybe that may be something that you need to do. But what we do here is being able to improve the credit score. So on the side, you're going to see all the current options: pay all your bills on time, make regular credit card payments, pay down your credit card balances, age of the credit limits, increase your credit card limit. Some of the easiest things that we can do to be able to increase our credit scores is one, if you can increase your credit card limit, this is going to be able to automatically increase your credit score because then you have more available to you. So if you did something like this, it gives you the simulation where if you were to increase your credit card limit by, let's say, $2,500, it would boost your credit score from what you see right now to be able to get higher. So let's say we increase it by $15,000, then it would show you how much it could increase your credit score into the high 600s. One of the biggest ways of being able to increase your credit score is to pay down your debt. We're simulating right here, being able to increase the credit score by paying down credit card balances. And by clicking that, it shows this section. If we did $5,067, it would increase the credit scores by 30, 25 points, and 20 points from what it currently has. What if you were to pay the entire credit cards off? Now we're in the high 600s and the low 700s at that point. So it's being able to see what we need to do to get us to that next level. One of the easiest pieces is quite frankly just paying your bills on time. If you paid your bills on time, how fast would it take for you to get to a higher credit score? So we go to the 3 months. Let's say that we were paying our bills on time for 12 months. How much would it increase? And it shows here 15 points, 15 points, and 20 points. Now, when you scroll down here to the left side, you're going to find this less common scenarios, other things that you could do to increase your credit score. So first off, closing down a credit card is not something that I ever recommend because you're eliminating the debt availability to you and typically it actually drops your credit score. So if we were to do the exact same thing, close down a credit card, click this button, you'll see that it actually drops the credit score automatically. Then we're going to try consolidating your balances onto a new credit card. So if we were to consolidate all your balances onto a new card, assuming that the credit limit was $16,000, this would end up increasing your score 20 points, 15 points, or an additional 15 points based on Experian. Now, with that being said, there's a lot of other options over here. We're not going to go through those today. This video is mainly to be able to show you what you can do under this simulator function and what things could work for you. There are many other things that can be done for you through this system. The one important thing that I want you to be able to go back to is cancel your membership. So how do you cancel the membership? So you're going to go up to the top section to your right where you would see your name. You're going to click on that. It's going to pop up right here. You're going to see subscription and billing. So you're going to click on subscription and billing. Then you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to click cancel subscription. Once you cancel subscription, it's not going to prorate anything. It's just going to cancel it as it is. And yes, you would have gotten charged the one time of $39.95. If you want to continue using it month over month, you can continue getting charged and better your credit score to get you ready to buy a home. But it's important to understand how to cancel it as well. Sometimes when you click that cancel button, it gives you a discount to keep it. This is just myFICO.com. There are multiple other websites, annualcreditreport.com, Credit Karma. When you're ready to get started, head over to callmortgagelist.com, schedule your time to review your options with myself and my team today so that way you can determine what is your buying power. And maybe we just got to set up a rent to keys plan to get you ready to buy sometime in the future, whether it's 3 months or 5 years from now.